in this episode we're going to look at
the Mould King Bumblebee Camaro.
and comparing it to the Ford Mustang.
From
LEGO!
We're going to compare them, time-lapse build the Camaro, and show you what you get in the box.
So stick around to see which car is faster. Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Dad.
Today we're going to build Bumblebee pullback car.
From Mould King. Is number 15081.
8 plus and it has 736 pieces.
So you can build it. Looks cool. It's 29 centimeters long.
12.8 centimeters wide.
8.2 centimeters tall. Kind of looks like the LEGO Mustang pullback one that we've got. Anyway, that's the front of the box.
Back of the box.
Back of the box. It's got Brokmar and JMK logo on the front. I don't know what that means.
Jimmy McConnell.
Jimmy McConnell with a K. It looks like it's supposed to be a transformer.
Yeah, it says Camaro instead of Camaro.
And it's got a Autobot symbol. Autobots. Make sure you stay tuned for.
Autobot.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Let's see what you get.
In the box in the set. Open up.
Two bobbies.
Frank and Gerald. Frank goes up, Gerald goes down.
4 bags.
2 motors named
Two
Frank
pullback.
and Gerald.
Frank and Gerald motors. 3 bags and they're numbered. And 1 big Bob book.
It's medium Bob book.
Medium Bob, you reckon?
Yep.
It has
64 pieces.
64 pieces. It has 164 steps.
I suppose.
Oh, it's got the Bobtown.
It's got the pullback like the Mustang.
Yeah, the
and
lever.
It looks like the Mustang.
Yeah, so this is
basically the same thing as a Mustang. The synonym is a Mustang.
well done. Well done. It's the Mould King equivalent of the Mustang,
That's right.
but it's yellow and it's transformery. You get 18 stickers. You get 18 stickers.
18 stickers. Oh.
Let's build it.
Let's build it.
It looks good. I like the side profile, the back, the front
the
looks
front.
cool.
With the blue headlights, it really stands out with the yellow.
It does, yeah, it looks cool. A few stickers here and there on those bits along the roof. On the side, you can see the Transformers like symbol.
It's got a squeaky
bonnet, but it does show the V8 engine, which is pretty cool.
And it's not pistons, it doesn't go up and down.
No, it's just sitting there. It has a boot but doesn't open. It doesn't steer, but it is a pullback. So what you do, you take the back out, you get this doobie wacky, exactly like the Mustang. You throw it in the back, push the lever down,
and then,
oh no, maybe the up. Yep, leave the lever up, wind it, and then blammo.
That's how fast it goes.
It's cool, I like it. It is the same as
exactly the same.
Bob.
Bob and George.
They're basically the same length. They have a similar bonnet, although he's squeaky. He's got a massive. He's got a massive hole.
Gaping hole.
Where this has got like the bonnet grill, the bonnet vent stays on the car. Where that you see the engine. Does the boot open on this one? No.
No.
No roof, no steering. If you look closely at them, this Mould King, yeah, it's a copy. Door handles are the same.
Copywriting.
Mirrors are the same. The A pillars are the same. Bonnet setup is the same.
The back is the same. Where
back is
from this thing, the pullback.
Back is the same. If you look at the build is almost the same.
There and there. They're the exact same thing.
The what do you call it?
The pullback motion thing
is the same. You know, remember the Mustang? If you've seen that video, you take the back out, throw this bit in, push it in,
and it goes.
Wind it back, and then push the lever down, and it goes.
Zoom!
It's the same.
Exactly the same.
But I like it. I like having a Camaro and a Mustang.
I know.
They're our two favourite cars. Besides the RX-7. If only it transformed like the Bumblebee that it is.
Yeah.
So they're very similar, but are they the same speed? Let's find out.
3, 2, 1. Zoom.
Mustang's faster. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Vroom, vroom. Two.
Say that again.
Let's build it.
Let's build it.